So there was just a thunder and lightning storm here in Northern California in the middle of August, which is absolutely unheard of. And it drenched everything for a good hour. It made me think I better get a move on replacing a couple of the seals on my Amazon. If you know anything about rubber seals on a car, they're expensive, usually not super difficult to install. I already did one. These rear quarter panel windows, for whatever reason on this car, never got touched, probably because the seals were so expensive. So that's what it looks like done, and this is the condition that the car came in. You can see that this one has been so bad. This just happened in the last couple of weeks. The whole pane has just fallen into the gap. So what we'll be doing is replacing it with this. Not too difficult, but let me show you how to do it. I also bought a little bit of just weather stripping in case I need it somewhere else. And fortunately, the previous owner of the car had replaced the windshield, so this is already new and done. So that's a big piece. Some of the other sealing, the rear windshield is not good. It's cracking, but it's still tight. And then the rubber in the trunk is failing, but still creates a seal. Don't see any leaks. I'm not going to treat that as a priority yet. And then there's things like this, where it just gets old and stretches, and that I'll probably seal maybe with some of that rubber I bought. This one's sealing, so it only lasts so long. This one I replaced, it was completely missing, and that's just more to keep it from rattling around than anything. There's nothing behind there. If you always look around all these cars, you're gonna find rubber seals all over the place. So here's how I'm going to do it to replace the seal, take out the quarter panel. If you notice that there's these two screws here that hold this window frame piece here, and then there's two here, two screws here, two screws here that take this out. That frees up the bottom so you can kind of wiggle it, roll down the window, take these screws out. This will shift a little bit. It's attached down there. You don't need to undo that. All you need is this to shift over a little bit. That allows you to get the angle this way, and then it comes out. Put the new seal on it, and then just do everything in reverse, right? So you put it in at an angle this way, tilt it in, kind of get it in place, put this back in, screws on the top, and then this trim piece with these screws back there. Oops, that seems pretty jammed in there, but I think maybe I'll just leave it there. Oh,